All right, everybody. As you can see, you're looking at a 1969 Dodge Charger. So let me tell you a little bit about this here. This is the AMT 1969 Charger. This started off as the Charger Daytona kit with the long nose and the high wing in the back. Super cool cars. Unfortunately, the kit just was not cool. The nose wouldn't go on properly, and then there's like some weird piece that sticks out that you glue on. It was abysmal. So after looking at the kit, I found out that it has all the parts to make the regular Charger for it, so not a waste. I should mention that this is also the same kit as the General Lee, which is also the same as, the name escapes me, but there's one out now where it's black with an American flag on the roof, which is also cool. Can't think of the name of it off the top of my head. But I know a lot of people say that this is a horrible kit. I've built a couple of these, and each one came out really good. So, the green is not focusing on my camera here. So, the green is actually, to me, a Royal Air Force green. It comes out flat, a lot of gloss coats. Put the camera down here, right there. A lot of gloss coats. I do the quick shine method. I did the roof white, obviously, as you can see. I used the white stripe that was on the decal sheet for the Charger Daytona. There's some writing on here that says Daytona. It's clear, so it kind of goes through the car there. I tried to paint over it white, but you could still see the marks. So what I did was, focus, went through the decal sheet, and I found the AMT Cool Cat decals. So I put those on there, and I think that looks really, really cool. Something a little different. Alright, the interior, which will be hard to see because it's all black, with the wood grain dashboard and steering wheel there. Nothing special, straight out of the box. I almost dropped the camera there. Yeah, just gloss black seats, flat black interior, dashboard gloss black, brown for the wood grain. Engine, again, box stock. As you can see, that looks real nice. Underneath, it's not too fancy. Again, all box stock. So what I did here was I actually lowered the car. There was a couple holes because this has the metal axles that go through. I has the holes for upper and a lower to make it standard and kind of drag race. You can almost see the hole there. Oh, right there. So obviously I did the high one on both. To lower the car, to lower the stance. I think the stance looks really, really cool. If I would have test fitted it better, I would have kind of pushed the fenders out because the tires kind of sit on the inner fenders. I would have kind of pushed it out a little bit. That's okay. I obviously used the red line. The wheels I really, really like. That's just a black wash in there to get that. That one's not as great as the front one. Oh well. Those are good. Man, focusing on this thing is horrible. Yeah, so this is, like I said, all straight out of the box. If you take away the Daytona parts, the only thing that isn't out of the box is the AMT Cool Cat. I think the results came out very, very nice. I know a lot of people bash this Charger from AMT, MPC. Like I said, I built a few of them already. Each one has come out equally awesome, equally cool. Like I said, if you're doing the Daytona, that's a mess. I apologize that I can't get this to focus properly. I take it the light above me here is not letting the green focus too well. Alright everybody, so I know a lot of people don't recommend this kit. I do. Just put a little work into it, it'll be okay. So that is my AMT 1969 Dodge Charger. Don't forget to stay here for the next minute. There will be there will be a slideshow afterwards of the car, so you can ogle the car a little more if you choose to. So I want to thank all my subscribers for watching the video. I want to thank everyone not subscribed watching the videos. If you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. There's a lot of cool stuff on this channel and a lot of cool stuff coming up. So don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the dislike button if you want to too. I mean, you're interacting with me. But I appreciate it if you hit the like button, and don't forget to rate me. I enjoy reading everyone's comments and responding to everybody, no matter how bad some of the comments can get sometimes. But that's okay. All right, everybody, we're going to leave it here. Appreciate you watching, like I said, and stay tuned for more cool stuff. All right, everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I appreciate you, and have a good one.